Students, you're able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
So listen. So we were discussing 10.3. We'll discuss few more problems, and then we'll go to the last concept that is left out. How to convert a given line ax plus by plus c into a normal form. We will see how to do that, okay? Now before that, see, reduce the following equations into slope-intercept form and find their slopes and y-intercepts. So x plus 7y is equal to 0. Since they are saying slope-intercept form, let's do this rearrangement. 7y is equal to minus x, y will be equal to minus 1 by 7 times x. Okay, so what is the slope? Slope is minus 1 by 7. Y-intercept is 0. Because I'm comparing this with y is equal to mx plus c, m is minus 1 by 7, c is 0. Similarly, the next one, 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So solution is 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3. So comparing this with y is equal to mx plus c, m will be minus 2, c will be 5 by 3. Okay. So m is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 5 by 3. This will be the required answer. Similarly, y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 is x-axis, slope is 0, y-intercept is also 0. So everything you have to write it like this only. Comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. So it is 0x plus 0, right? M is 0, c is also 0. Okay. Similarly, reduce the following equations into intercept form and find their intercepts on the axis. So how to do this is 3x plus 2y is equal to, we know that the intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And the x-intercept and y-intercept are a comma b respectively. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay. So since right hand side is 1, you need to divide with 12 on both sides. When you divide with 12 on both the sides, x by 4 plus y by 6 is 1. So this will be the intercept form. And x-intercept is 4, y-intercept is 6. Okay. So is there any doubt till whatever we discussed?
No, sir.
Okay. I'm going to the next problem. Observe. So 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. So divide with 6 on both sides. So you will have 4x by 6 minus 3y by 6 is 1. So 2x by 3 minus y by 2 is 1. So how to write this is x divided by 3 by 2 minus y by 2 is 1. So a is 3 by 2, b is 2. B is minus 2 actually. Okay, a is 3 by 2, b is minus 2. Similarly, 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, or I can write it like this. 3y is equal to minus 2, which implies dividing with minus 2 on both the sides. You will get y divided by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So this is the intercept form. So a is 0 and b is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. So the concept that we are yet to discuss is the last one. That is how to reduce the following equations into normal form. Okay, let's look at the concept first. So see. How to reduce ax plus by plus c to normal form. So what is normal form actually? Normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, right? So this is going to be the required normal form. But what is given to us? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? So first we need to bring it in this format. So how are you going to do? This is the question. Okay, let me say the equation of line that they have taken in the textbook is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so first for them to be equal, you need a non-zero variable on the right hand side. So for that, what we are going to do is ax plus by will be minus. Accepted? So let's do one thing. I will divide it with minus c on both the sides. Okay, I will divide it with minus c on both the sides. So ax by minus c plus by minus c is 1. Is there any doubt, guys? So I want you all to write it parallelly. Ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. Okay, let this be equation number 2, because from the normal form I am going to bring it in some other way. From this, if I divide with p on both the sides, can I write it as x cos alpha by p plus y sin alpha by p is equal to 1. Let this be equation number 1. Remember that this equation and this equation are the same. That is, equation 1 and equation 2 are the same. When 1 and 2 are same, okay, when 1 and 2 are same, what can we say? Then cos alpha by p is equal to a divided by minus c. Accepted? Then cos alpha will be equal to minus pa divided by c. Similarly, sin alpha will be equal to minus pb divided by c. Any doubt, guys? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Right? Now the question is, we need to find out what this cos alpha and what the sin alpha from this. So if you're able to do that, we'll get the answer. Okay. So for that, observe one thing. You have ax plus by plus c. You have x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, where cos alpha is one unknown, sin alpha is another unknown, and the third important unknown is the perpendicular distance. Okay, that is p. Now observe. I will write and show. Wait. So what comparison did I do? I did ax plus by is equal to minus c. I called it, then I divided with minus c on both the sides. So ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. Let this be 2. From 1 and 2, we get cos alpha is equal to pa by c with a minus sign. Similarly, sin alpha is equal to minus pb by c. Then cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is what? It is nothing but p square a square divided by c square plus p square b square divided by c square. But we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So from this, what we can conclude is p square into p square by c square into a square plus b square is equal to 1, which implies p square is equal to c square divided by a square plus b square. So what will be the value of p? Plus or minus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Do you guys understand till this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I take this and substitute, if I take the value of p and substitute it in the place of cos alpha, then cos alpha will be equal to plus or minus a divided by root of a square plus b square. Similarly, sin alpha will be equal to plus or minus b divided by root of a square plus b square. So you guys clear with this. You take this and substitute it in the place of cos alpha and sin alpha, you will get this value. So once you get these values, okay, it will give you a clarity of what you're supposed to do. So what you need to do is, when a line ax plus by plus c is given to you, okay, first write it in the form ax plus by is equal to minus c, and divide both sides with root of a square plus b square. When you divide it with root of a square plus b square, you will get a divided by root of a square plus b square times x plus b divided by root of a square plus b square times y is equal to minus c divided by root of a square plus b square. And this value should be chosen in such a way that this side is always positive, because what is the format? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p stands for what? Guys, I asked a question. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What does p stand for?
Sir, could you repeat the question?
I asked x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What does p stand for?
Perpendicular distance.
So since it is a perpendicular distance, the right hand side should always be positive for normal form. Okay, so have this in your mind. Okay. Now, how to apply this, I will explain it. First, I want you all to copy this.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
if the RHS value should be positive, that means C should be negative, no, sir?
That depends, because you're going to divide it with plus or minus. No?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
When we solve the problem, we'll see how to take it.
Okay, sir.
Done? Okay. Shall I proceed to solve the problems? Yes or no?
Yes.
Listen. So the question is, reduce the equation root 3x plus y minus 8 into normal form. Find the values of p and omega. Here omega means alpha is what they are asking. Okay. So solution is root 3x plus y is equal to 8. Can I write it like this? Okay. So wherever you see normal form, divide both sides with what? Root of a square plus b square. So when you divide it with root of a square plus b square, then it become root 3x divided by 2 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. Did you understand why I got that 2? Is everyone clear with why I got the 2?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So root 3x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 4. So this is the equation you have in your hand now. So you need to compare with whom? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Then you will get cos alpha is equal to root 3 by 2, sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2, and p is equal to 4. So cos alpha is root 3 by 2. Observe, cos alpha and sin alpha both are positive. Which quadrant should it be?
First quadrant.
Yes. So the value of alpha is how much? 30 degrees. And the value of perpendicular distance is 4. So this will be the normal form. So the normal form is x cos pi by 6 plus y sin pi by 6 is equal to 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm proceeding to the next problem. Reduce the following equations into normal form. Find their perpendicular distances from the origin and angle between the perpendicular and the positive x-axis. So solution is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Right? So we need to divide with what?
A square plus b. Root a square plus b.
Root of a square plus b square. That is root of 9 plus 4. That is root 13. So 3x by root 13 okay. So 3 by root 13. So 3 by root 13 is equal to cos alpha. Can you check in what format the answer is given in the textbook? 2 by root 13 is sin alpha and p is 12 divided by root 13. So this should be the normal form. That's it. So how have they given the answer at the back? Answer at the back.
So given x cos 120 y plus y sin 120 degree equal to 4.
Sin 120 for this one.
Yes, sir.
120. This is a question, right? Can you please check in the textbook?
Yes. Wrong.
Is it 3x plus? Huh?
question is wrong, sir.
The one which I have, right?
Yes, sir, it's wrong. Not the question.
What is the question actually?
Question is
120
x minus root 3y plus 8.
x minus root 3y plus
8.
8 equal to 0. But is it page 227 in your textbook?
Yes, sir. But this question which you did was actually second question's first subdivision.
Okay. See, but if the question is like this, then there's going to be the answer because you cannot further simplify this. So x minus root 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus root 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Then what we can do is x minus root 3y will be equal to minus 8. Okay. I told you an important point, right hand side should be perpendicular. If it has to be perpendicular, then minus x plus root 3y should be equal to 8. Accepted? So divide with what?
A square plus
Divide,
B square. Root A square.
that is root of a square plus b square. Okay. Then it will be minus x by 2 plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 4. So cos alpha is minus half, sin alpha is half, and perpendicular distance is 4. Cos is negative, sin is positive. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Yes. In second quadrant, alpha will be 120 degrees. So what will be the required answer? X cos 120 degrees plus y sin 120 degrees is equal to 4. This is the required answer. Clear? So moving on to the next case, next problem. So how to solve this? Y is equal to 2. Right? Divide with 1 on both sides because root of a square plus b square, that is 0 square plus 1. So when you divide with 1 on both the sides and compare with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So what is cos alpha, guys? 0, and sin alpha is 1.
1.
So p will be 2. So cos alpha 0, sin alpha is 1. Alpha is equal to 90 degrees. So what will be the answer? X cos 90 plus y sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, x minus y is equal to 4. Divide with root of a square plus b square, that will be root 2 on both sides. It will be x by root 2 minus y by root 2 is equal to 4 by root 2. So cos alpha is 1 by root 2, sin alpha is 1 by root 2, and p is 4 by root 2. So cos alpha 1 by root 2 means how much will be the answer? Actually, I'm sorry, sin alpha is minus 1 by root 2. So which quadrant does it belong to?
Fourth quadrant.
So fourth quadrant means what is going to be the angle? So what should be the angle? Fourth quadrant.
315.
Yes, that's right. 315 degrees. So you will have the answer as x cos 315 degrees plus y sine 315 degrees is equal to 4 divided by root. Okay. So with this, we have completed all the topics and we have seen the problems also. I mean, most of the problems. Now it is the remaining problem that we need to solve. We'll complete it off. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12x plus 6 is equal to 5y minus 2. So it is like this 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10, which implies 12x minus 5y plus 82 equal to 0. So what is the point minus 1 comma 1? So what is the distance? 12 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 82 divided by root of a square plus b square. I hope you guys remember it. So distance from the point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this will be minus 12 minus 5 plus 82 divided by root of 12 square plus 5 square is 13 square, under a root is 13. So minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17 plus 82 divided by 13. So how much is the answer? 82 minus 17. 65. So it will be 5 units. Okay. Next. Find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. So let the point be a comma 0. Given line is 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. So what is the formula for distance? 4 into a plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divided by 5. Why root 5 is root of 4 square plus 3 square is 5. So this will be equal to 4a minus 12 divided by 5. So how much is this distance given? 4, right? So which implies 4a minus 12 is equal to 20. 4a is equal to 32. A will be 8. So what will be the required point? Required point will be 8 comma. Let's see. There is any doubt you can ask. Next, find the distance between the parallel lines. Do it fast and tell me. 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0. 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. So what is the formula for distance between parallel lines? It is mod of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. (65) divided by root of what is 15 square plus 8 square. 15, 8 and something else is a Pythagorean triplet.
17, sir.
Yes. So it is 16, 5 by 17 units. Okay. Oh, there is another problem, right? So what is the distance for the second one? For second one, distance is equal to C2 minus C1, that is P plus R divided by root of L square plus L square.
Sir, shouldn't it be minus R?
No, it is P minus of minus R. C2 minus C1. You can take C minus R minus P or P minus of minus R, they both are same. Rohan, are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So P plus R divided by root 2 into L. So moving on to the next problem. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. So it's very simple. Equation of line parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 will be 3x minus 4y plus some constant is equal to 0. So whenever you're writing a parallel line, the first two variables will be the same. Okay. So let this be equation number 1. Since it passes through minus 2 comma 3, what we can do is take this and substitute it here. So when you substitute it, 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3 plus c equal to 0. So minus 6 minus 12 plus c is equal to 0, which implies c is equal to 18. So what will be the required equation? Three x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now look at the second, next eighth one. Find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and having x-intercept 3. So the solution is, so what is the given line? X minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. What will be the slope of this? Minus a by b. So that will be 1 by 7. Okay. So slope of perpendicular line will be what? What will be the slope of the perpendicular line for this? It will be minus 7. Is there any doubt till this step? Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So equation of line with slope m and x-intercept d is what? So I hope you guys remember this. This is d comma 0. There is a line like this. Slope of this line is m. If you take any point on this line as x comma y, then y minus 0 divided by x minus d is equal to m. Y is equal to m into x minus d. This is the equation of line. So what will be the required equation? Y is equal to m into x minus, what is the value of d, guys? What is the value of d? So y is equal to minus 7x plus 21, which implies 7x plus y is equal to 2. So this will be the required equation. Let me know once you are complete.
Done, sir.
Done? So we'll go to the next problem. Find the angle between the lines. You people do and tell me. I'll give you 2 minutes time. So for you to find the angle between two lines, what are we supposed to do first? What are we supposed to do? Guys, if there is no response, I'll just wind up this session. Is my voice clear or not?
Yes, sir.
I've been asking what are we supposed to do to find the angle between two lines. If two lines are given, how will you find the angle? What is that we need? What formula will we apply? I solved this problem on Monday also.
Tan theta equal to
Tan alpha is equal to mod of
M2 minus M1 divided by 1
1 plus M1 M2.
1 plus M1 M2. Yes. So modulus of what is M2 minus M1? What is the value of M2? What is the slope of the first line? It is minus root. What is the slope of second line?
Minus 1 by root.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 by root 3. So what is M2? M2 is minus 1 by root 3 minus of M1 is minus root 3. Yes. Divided by 1 plus M1, that is minus 1 by root 3 into minus root 3. So minus 1 by root 3 plus root 3, the whole divided by this root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. 1 plus 1, that is 2.
2.
So you will have 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 3. That is how much? So you have a modulus always 1 by root 3 with a plus or minus sign. So tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So alpha is how much? So alpha is equal to 30 degrees or 150 degrees. Okay. We will do one last problem and wind up. I don't know why nobody is responding. Wait. So the line through the points h comma 3 and 4 comma 1 intersect the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0 at right angles. Find the value of h. So there are 2 points h comma 3 and 4 comma 1. This is intersecting another line 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0 at right angles. Right. So what is the condition we can use to find the value of h? Slope of AB into slope of CD is how much? Minus 1, because they both are perpendicular to each other. What is slope of AB? 1 minus 3 divided by 4 minus h into what is slope of CD? 7 by 9 is minus 1. So minus 2 into 7 divided by 9 into 4 minus h is equal to minus 1. Minus and minus will get cancelled, which implies 14 is equal to 36 minus 9h, which implies 9h is equal to 22.
Sir, could you explain the sum once again?
See, what they have asked is, there is a line which is passing through h comma 3 and 4 comma 1. It is intersecting a line which is 7x minus 9 by minus 19 at right angle. So right angle means they are perpendicular to each other. So when two lines are perpendicular to each other, what is the product of their slopes? So the product of their slopes is minus 1. So slope of AB to slope of CD is minus 1. So what is slope of AB? Y2 minus Y1. That is 1 minus 3 divided by 4 minus h into slope of CD is how much? 7 by 9. If I do it as minus 1, when you solve it, you will get h is equal to 22 by 9. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remaining problems, I want you all to try. I want you all to try and complete it before tomorrow. You have to upload it in the app. Okay. Problem number 11 to 18. I want you all to try upload it in the app by tonight. I'll ask questions. Tomorrow I'll pick up names. Be prepared. I don't want the class to be like this. Just wait for a minute. Don't leave.